Hi, I'm Tony, your Pop Pops Workshop. Today we're going to move on in our progress on these two charcuterie boards. I've done other posts where I just used this little bendable thing. I got this at a home show um, earlier this year, I believe. Might have been last year. Hard to tell. But that's what I used to kind of get a rough shape for the handles. And we're going to go both directions then so that out of this board I can get the most out of it. And it also allows me to be a little more free form with these. So you'll have the end. This board will come from here up into the handle and out like that, and then this one will come from here up into the handle and then out like that. So I've kind of maximized my space out of that piece of spalted maple. So that's what we're up to. I'm going to turn off my audio so that the sound of the saw doesn't irritate you, and I'm going to put my isotunes in so the sound of the saw doesn't irritate me. So we'll be back with you in a second when I get this all set up. Okay, so that is not going to work. Bandsaw through it is not deep enough to get this in there at its length with all the curves. So call an audible. Going to go with the jigsaw. Get this finished clamping it down, and we'll be back with you in a second. All right, so as usual, that didn't go to plan. The board was a little too big to cut in half on the saw with the curves that were in it. So we took a scroll saw blade in the jigsaw and we separated them out. And once they were separated out, I was able to kind of rough in a little bit better each independent designs. And now from here, we'll do everybody's favorite job and we'll sand on these things until they're comfortable shape. And then we'll take one of our round over bits in the router. We'll round over the edges on both sides, and we'll have a couple nice charcuterie boards. Put a hole in the handle, just for a little bit grab, maybe an oblong. We haven't decided yet. We'll figure that out when we get there, but it's a kind of a inflow process. So that's what we're doing today in the shop. Hopefully you are enjoying the warmer weather. If it is warmer weather where you're at, we've gotten a little reprieve from the deep freeze we were in just a couple of days ago, and it's going to be nice for the next several days on into January. So that's what we're looking forward to. Nice warm days outside, which makes pleasant days in the shop, and hopefully you're enjoying that as well. So thanks for watching. Don't take for granted that you took your time out to do that, and we appreciate it very much. Thanks again, and remember, you can do this.